Yeah. Sun is shining, I got that feeling. Oh yeah, never been so blessed. Today is something I can believe in. Yeah, oh yeah. I gotta live it, breathe it, be it. Yeah. Now I clearly see it. Oh, this is my day. Oh, it's going my way. Yeah, this is my day. My day, my day, my day. And it's going my way. My day, my day, my day, my day.
Congrats. God bless.
Yeah, certified. Yeah. Is this real or am I just dreaming? Oh yeah. Relax, yeah. Relax. Oh, it's good vibes give life a new meaning. Yeah. Gotta live it, breathe it, be it. Yeah. Yeah. Now I clearly see it. Oh, this is my day. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's going my way. This is my day. My day, my day. And it's going my way. My day, my day, my day, my day. My day, my day, my day.
Thank you, be. Ang ganda ng bigay mong relo. Di ni Sheena, di muna kami nga ang kami mga di nag-ammo mismo nga hindi pa ilaga-ammo kami ta kaparehas kami kabaruyan kami kasantaan ka-churchmate.
Actually, nagkakilala kami. Yung kapatid niya, ang kaklase ko. And then, nag-aral kasi ako sa Isabela. So, yung from 7 years relationship, tapos hindi natuloy. Hindi siya nagtuloy kasi malayo. Nung umuwi ako ng Ordaneta.
Kaya di loko-lokohan lang da Pastor Ernie, baga-bagada lang nga kuha naman ni Sheena nga han na kaya't ti maasawan mo taga kasantaan mo lang. Pero hanak si Muko, inaron ko latta na.
Ayan, dumating si Dandrev. Hindi naman siya dumating, kaya lang hindi ko siya napansin dati. Pero siguro nung parang lonely, napansin ko yung pagiging jolly niya. Siya yung nagpapasaya sa amin. Hanggang na-build up kasi siya yung palagi kong tinatawagan kapag may kailangan akong puntahan. Kumbaga parang naging driver ko siya. So, naging close kami sa mga ganong paraan.
Sa iday ka naasikaso na-diskarte, nasimpot nga nag-enjoy ko tikad kadwa ka nag-enjoy ti kadwa mi nagragsak ano kailangan na kada nga sigod ano kailangan damat sigod.
So si Dandrev, kilala siya, very funny, nakakatawa siya. But pag nakilala mo siya ng personal, may deep yung kanya, yung kung sino siya. Parang tinatago niya lang yung lungkot niya, gano'n. So habang nung magkasama kami, feeling ko kasi noon, masaya lang, gano'n. Pero nung nakikilala ko siya, nakakon ko yung kwento niya. So, parang nag-opposite kami. Ako kasi parang tahimik lang, pero masayahin talaga ako. Siya masayahin, pero meron pala siyang tinatago. So si Dandrev,
Sa iday, nag-fellowship kami. Plano ko ideya nag-propose di Mindanao. Kasi inaayat ko mahal ko kasi tintag na talaga ti Apo para kanya.
so B, ito na, yung binalak natin nung una lang, na parang biruan lang. Pero ito na tayo, tapos na yung mga lakad-lakad natin, finally. Ito na yung last na araw na single ka, na single ako. So sana kung ano yung plano mo, maging plano nating dalawa. Magsama tayo ng palaging pinipili ang isa't isa. Love you.
Be basta ating aldaw, enjoyan ta lang ating kasarta, hanta ma-stress, ating aldaw special para kanya nga duwa. Be mahal na mahal kita. I love you.
It feels like all the songs have probably all been sung, but I wanna bring you something true, something that moves you. I don't have all the words to tell you how much you're worth, but I wanna bring you something.
Tayo po ay nagkatipon ngayon sa harapan ng Diyos at ng kapulang ito upang ating saksihan at ipagdiwang ang pag-iisang dibdib ni Danreb Bergado at Shena Monica Bersula sa isang banal, legal at kristyanong kasalan.
I love you, I love you, I love you. When I say it, I mean it, it's true. And I hope you can see it in all that I do. I know it might be nothing new. I love you, I love you, I love you, I do. And I'm sure the angels sing beautiful melodies, but I wanna bring a song that's
Ako po ay masaya ngayon dahil si Danreb at si Shena ay kakasal na. Alam na kay Danreb. Okay. And your marriage is made in heaven. Ang iyong pagsasama ay gawa sa langit. Because I know that you have prayed for your pastor, ang iyong pastor ay ipinanalangin kayo. Kaya naniniwala ako na ang kasalang ito ay made in heaven. Marriage is made by God. That's why your marriage, Danreb, was designed and planned by God long before. Bago pa kayo ipanganak sa mundong ito, nandun na sa plano ng Diyos na kayo'y mag-iisang dibdib sa araw na ito. According to His foreknowledge, nakita niya na that you will be going to be husband and wife.
all it took was a little flame.
Shena Monica Bersula. B, itawag na ganyan. B. Sa bawat hakbang ng buhay ko, alam ko ang inihanda ako ng Panginoon para sa iyo. Ikaw ang sagot sa aking mga dasal. Hindi ko inakalang ang dating classmate lang ng kapatid ko ay magiging asawa ko pala. Talagang kahanga-hanga ang paraan ng Diyos. Ngayon sa harap ng Diyos at ng lahat ng mahal natin sa buhay, nangangako ako sa iyo, mamahalin kita ng tapat at buo. Palagi kitang sasamahan o ihatid sa mga seminar mo, mga lakad mo. Iingatan kita, aalagaan sa araw-araw. Ipagdarasal kita palagi, pasasalamatan dahil ikaw ang binigay ng Diyos para sa akin. I love you.
It's true, and I hope you can see it in all that I do. I know it might be nothing new. I love you, I love you, I love you, I do. Oh, I love you, I do. And it's nothing new, but still I choose. I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you.
Me, before I met you, I went through seasons of pain. I gave my heart before and it was broken. I questioned if love like this even existed. But God, in His perfect timing, showed me that His plans are always greater than my own. Little did I know, through all the heartaches and waiting, He was leading me to you. Someone who didn't just heal me, but reminded me of my worth and what real love looks like. Ngayon, sa harap ng Diyos at sa mga mahal natin sa buhay, I thank Him for leading me to you, the one who makes me feel safe, seen, and deeply loved. I promise to pray for you and with you. I promise na magiging kakampi mo ako sa bawat hamon ng buhay. I will honor and respect you, not just as my husband, but as God's precious gift to me. Kahit hindi perfecto ang bawat araw, I promise to choose you always with patience, with faith, and with love. Sasamahan kita hindi lang sa tagumpay, kundi lalo na sa mga pagsubok. I may not know what the future holds, but I do know this: as long as God is at the center of our marriage, I will never stop fighting for us. You are my answered prayer. You are my comfort after the storm. And today, I give you all of me forever. I love you.
Andre, you may now kiss your wife.
I could believe that I'm not enough. It's clear to see I don't measure up. It's just what you've done because of your love, your love, your love, your love. I could believe that my mistakes will follow me down into the grave, but I'm not who I was because of your love, your love, your love, your love. It's enough, enough, enough. And I got joy